And yes,
We
we
did
just
it.
did it. We just finished our first drop-in Zoom meeting in our big world community. 250,000 people worldwide.
Yes. And what the topic that we shared, our real experience, especially me, who once said, show me the money and prove him if this business that we're doing is legit or real. So this is addressing all those skeptical spouse, partners, or family who's doubting us in the online world how we are making money into this business. So we talk every possible experience and how we overcome that, especially me to this, and they heard from that hot seat based on his experience. And now that's not yet the end. There's one more.
And now, 5 p.m. PST, we have another live workshop that I
Online.
really want to invite you guys, because you can see me and my wife there on the hot seat again.
Yes.
We're gonna be one of the panelists today.
Yeah, so
So I want you guys to come and see what we have for you there, how our system works, and how you can do the same thing like what we did.
and if you missed this and you're not part of our community yet, it's okay. You can come and join us. All you have to do, as my husband said, register your name and email to the link below, and we will send you that link to watch live. If you can watch live at 5 p.m. Vancouver time, wherever you are around the globe, you can watch the replay as long as you register. And guess what? When you register, we can invite you inside our amazing private community and meet all these people around the globe. And if you have some questions after the webinar, and you always can reach out to us, and we will prove you that this guy who once used to be the most skeptical husband, now
There's reason for me to be there, right?
he's seen enough, and he got tired of putting all those checks into the bank account online, and he joined me. So you can see all these numbers. He joined me watching after 1 year of proving him, and he's seen enough. He took the action after the first year of him, and I am celebrating my second year in the business way back then. We intentionally put this because I've shown enough in 2 years time doing the business. We prove that it's real and let's legit, and we became the
Yeah.
boss of your own. And until now, would you believe it, that 6 years after, why we're still fit into this t-shirt that we have
Oh,
long
yeah, I
time.
don't have problem
So
with
we
that.
prove it that we are happy doing the business, and every single day we are excited to help and share this to new people just like you. If you're watching us for the longest time and you're still not believing on it, come and join us today. Today is your day to see and hear all of the panelists of people from all over the world who volunteered to be part of the panelists, and we will share 5 minutes story of us, how the power couple who doesn't have time, working morning shift, afternoon shift, no time together,
No experience at all.
and non-tech savvy, but because of this online business, this is your time to come and sneak in, be the Marites of your own, and listen to people how this online global business changing people's lives. And if it's possible for you, just like us, for people who's
Nothing
doubting
to lose,
us,
guys.
for people who's doubting us, how we can survive having no job, sitting at home and do nothing, who's paying the bills? For the last 8 years today, we're celebrating 8 years being at stay home, and 4
Four.
years
4 for me.
being at stay home, and now full-time doing this, and many more stories later. That's only the success. How about the struggles and everything before the way to get the time freedom that we have? So watch today's workshop, register your name and email, we'll send you the link, and we hope to see you live so that you can comment below and meet our amazing panelists and
Don't
hosts.
forget,
So,
click on the website below.
yes, and see you guys later. Take care and have a
Bye-bye.
great day.
See you there.
Thank you for all those who watched today from our live drop in Zoom. If you didn't watch the live, you watch the replay. If you want to watch the replay, message us and we'll bring you inside the
Sorry about
community.
the noise.
Take care, guys. God bless.